Imagine losing everything overnight, facing challenges that seem insurmountable. But what if that struggle becomes your greatest strength? So let's meet Jessica. She once lived in a cozy apartment, but when life threw unexpected curveballs at her, job loss, medical bills, and heartbreak, she found herself on the streets. Alone and desperate, she turned to her passion for writing. In a simple coffee shop, she began her blog, pouring her heart out, sharing her painful journey. As she bravely recounted her story, readers connected with her on a deep level. The blog went viral. Sponsors recognized her voice, providing the funds she desperately needed. But Jessica envisioned more. She wanted to uplift others like her. After months of hard work and determination, she launched a seminar series aimed at empowering the homeless and inspiring them through her story of perseverance. Participants flocked to her events, eager to learn, to heal, and to transform their lives, just as she had. Jessica's seminars became revered, filled with wisdom and actionable steps. Once a homeless woman, she now stood on stage as a CEO, inspiring a movement of hope and resilience. In a shocking twist, she realized that her true wealth wasn't in her possessions, but in the connections she forged and the lives she changed. From the depths of despair to remarkable success, her journey teaches one unforgettable lesson. Every setback can be a setup for a comeback. Don't just dream, take your pain and make it powerful.